This is the top 5 Igbo worship that made our year 2025 a top 4.
Jesus, I worship you today. Jesus, I bow before your throne. And we say, Spirit Divine, take all of us, every flesh, everything that speaks of flesh. Give us your spirit. Let it dwell in us, deeply and richly in us. Jesus, we worship you today. Jesus, we bow before your throne. Men may not understand how far you brought me. They may not understand. People of the world may not understand how far you've sucked me in you. They may not understand. They may not understand how far you brought me. They may not understand. Accept the Lord Jesus, for when He comes into that situation, it is over.
Thank you for watching. Like, follow and subscribe on all platforms for more.